In the exhilarating world of Forex, one strategy stands out: swing trading. It's the art of capitalizing on market swings, a dance with the currency fluctuations. It's not for the faint-hearted. It demands patience, discipline, and a keen eye for detail. To start, it's important to identify potential swing points in the market. These are highs and lows where the market could change direction. Don't just jump in though. Wait, watch, and then strike when the time is right. Next, set your stop losses and take profits. Protecting your capital is key, and setting these limits will help you do just that. Remember, the market is a wild beast. It can giveth, and it can taketh away. Finally, keep a close watch on market trends and news. A sudden event can cause a major swing, and if you're prepared, you can profit. In the end, swing trading is a careful balance between risk and reward. It's a strategy that demands a lot from you, but if played right, the rewards can be great. In the Forex market, every swing is an opportunity. So, sharpen your skills, stay disciplined, and make the most of every market swing. Remember, in this dance with the currencies, it's all about timing your moves to perfection.